Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. This is some orange crush. And I'm going to use some dancing fuchsia, which is also closed. I got it. Yay. And some saffron. Make sure that dancing fuchsia stays open. I think I'm going to let some yellow-orange customize this mix, and some Decor 24 karat gold. Maybe I'll put down enough paint just to cover one side. This is my lighter version of the yellow-orange, which will probably not show. I think I'm going to buffer zone everything with some periwinkle. That's there to stay. Some blue velvet. Some cerulean blue. I've got a color I've been using a bunch lately, Majestic blue, which I happen to like a lot. And it mixes very well with some of the dark, perfect indigo. I'm still going to want some purple in there. And I sure don't need a lot of anything else. I got to be careful of that orange. Perfect indigo violet. Which does not seem to want to come out very easily. So I'll figure out what's going on with that later. And I'm going to throw a little bit of vibrant aqua in here, because I can. Along with that, a little deep amethyst. I feel like playing with the layers. I kind of want some white. I'm not sure if it's a great idea or not, but I still want it. And I might need a different spatula. I also might want some red violet if there's any left. Now I need another spatula. More dancing fuchsia. I am being called immediately to little deep amethyst. And some more cerulean, cerulean C. That was not my intention, but it'll have to work. I'm not sure what that is though. I have a little Wilton cake decorating tool. Although I've got the option to take some of my paint off my spatula, which I will do. Throw that in the bucket. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'm going to call it done. Yeah, it's an Oceanside series. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.